Napansin mo ba, ang daming negosyo ngayon, sobrang busy, pero parang hindi naman talaga lumalaki. Araw-araw ang posting, araw-araw ang reply, araw-araw bantay ng ads, araw-araw isip ng bagong promo. Pero kapag tinanong mo, kamusta ang sales? Parang roller coaster. May sales ngayon, tapos bukas, matumal na naman. And honestly, sobrang daming business owners ang nakaka-relate dito ngayon. Kasi ang totoo, maraming negosyo ang naka-survival mode lang. Hindi systemized. Kapag ganado, saka lang active. Kapag inspired, saka lang magkukontent. Kapag matumal, saka lang mag-a-ads. Kapag walang sales, panic mode agad. So, ang nangyayari, pagod na pagod ang business owner. Mentally, emotionally, financially. Pero kahit sobrang busy, parang walang real growth. And here's the hard truth. Being busy does not always mean your business is growing. Sometimes, busy ka lang. Pero paikot-ikot ka lang sa same problems. Because real business growth doesn't happen by random effort. It happens through systems. Systems create consistency, systems create follow-up, systems create conversion, and systems create predictability. Kaya ang mapapansin mo, may mga negosyo na hindi naman sobrang ingay online, pero consistent ang clients, consistent ang leads, consistent ang sales. Why? Because they built a process. Hindi sila umaasa sa swerte. Hindi sila umaasa sa random boosting. Hindi sila umaasa na sana may bumili ngayon. They built a system. And honestly, this is one of the biggest shift na kailangan maintindihan ng mga negosyo ngayon. Especially ngayon na sobrang ingay na online. Attention alone is not enough anymore. You need a structure, you need a positioning, you need follow-up, you need a conversion process. Because businesses that rely only on motivation, eventually napo-burnout po sila. But businesses built on systems, scale. If gusto mong matutunan paano gumawa ng mas predictable na client and sales system for your business, this is Ken Baisa. Follow for more predictable ads and marketing strategies.